Gold last week you saw more than $100 dump. It is enough to kill all small player. But after that $100 dump, what will happen next? Because this resistance and this support are not clear what is happening and why it is going down in a big way. But when you go from H1 to H4 chart, you can see it was making higher high with higher low, a technical bullish setup, but suddenly after making new all-time high, maybe TP of all the buyers and SL of all the seller hit at the same time and it goes down. But amazing thing last week, same like each high of this range, a war news. First, it was plane crash. It turned into World War III. Then, in the middle of the trend, Taiwan invasion news. But still, after those super bullish news, price closed below 2400. And if you go next level technical, then after breakout, this is fourth retest of this trend line. Closing is below trend line and top to bottom this entire previous bullish trend inside a parallel channel. Price also closed below fifth retracement level. So below trend line, below fifth retracement. So technically it is bearish. So these are same thing what I said in premium video before that vertical dump become aggressive. But same like that H1 chart, technical are not clear. H4 chart does not give you clear information. Because after $124 vertical dump, high of the week and low of the week, this technical trend line retest and 61% retracement is your only technical setup. More it goes down, more it will varies, and more time price stay above 61% retracement and trend line. That's mean 2343 level, more possibility of bullish. But when you shift from H4 to daily chart, everything become clear. Last week I repeated again your sideway range, but instantly on Monday market open with a news. Everyone was confused again, but now you can see price is again in the middle of the range. You can see closing not just 50 but below 61% retracement level. So daily chart is again making your sideway range. Technically, next big support is retest of 23 psychological level. And you have seen big rejection from 2400 psychological resistance last week and verified by your big news FOMC minute. So 2343 your H4 last big static support level, while daily your 2400 last big psychological level. So until we see how price react to this low of this range 2300 level, breakout retest or instant rejection again, we are not bullish. But still after that big red candlestick, FOMO is still high. You have seen full FOMO bullish news and bank are still in FOMO mode. One bank is saying 3k gold price in next 12 months. After a long time, not just one but many month, COT were not buying gold. But after last week drop, Friday closing, there is a breakout of sideway range and now they are a big bullish. And question is why they waited since March till now to buy gold. Because if you remember that first vertical drop in gold on Friday, before that drop, UBS bank said investor have to dance as long as music is playing. So music is still playing or it has stopped. We will only know if 2300 level breakout or hold. So technically we are expecting retest of 2300 level. Below this level bearish and above this level sideway range in gold. So technical are saying sideways gold until neckline of this possible double top breakout. It is not a trend reversal. While FOMC minute, that is bearish. Election countdown have begun and number one question is still same. That economic boom, everything really, that will turn into recession or not before election or after election. Word of Fed Bullard, they will shift their monetary policy in September FOMC meeting or August Jackson Hole or maybe next June FOMC meeting. Because short-term trader cannot wait till November election because that is too long time. So you have 3 date and last week FOMC minute was your first hint. And you can see gold reacted aggressively to that news. First pumped on Friday, Monday with war news, then FOMC minute, then vertical dump on retail wires. Because Fed famous monetary policy, rate hike and cut, and new and not everyone understand the new policy QT QE, but they did their economic boom magic via final condition index. That is number one question everyone asking from each FOMC member since March month. So everyone, each hedge fund know where a final condition index will be before election and after election. But that FOMC minute was first change and there was U-turn in their tone. Same like that what I said before FOMC minute week, this low when they first hit change in rate hike size from 75 to 25 and this low when they first said rate cut can come as early as March month. Same like that there is a change in their monetary policy tone. This range will break out upside or downside, that is technical. But I see FOMC minute as bearish, long term like you saw in past. So initially we will wait for retest of 2300, then market reaction on that level, then we will decide long term FOMC minute is bearish or not, but I read that PDF as bearish. And for your perspective, you have to read yourself. Weekly candlestick is read in big way. Psychology must be changing. But this week candlestick is important, same to same like last week technically, because closing of this week candlestick, where it will close, up and down, and what technical level accurately. This is last week of month. For intraday scalper this week, 2236 and 2286 are big static support level. Closing near these level will change market psychology instantly and it will manipulate so many technical setup that after Friday closing market tone will be different. More it is close near or below 2286, that will be your second inverted head and shoulder on monthly chart. Fed has said he don't see stagflation. This week you have GDP number that must go down to verify stagflation. This week you have core PCE number on Friday that must go up to verify stagflation, and your technical closing price on Friday. So Friday will be magical this week, no doubt. Everyone will watch Fed is right or wrong and where market is closing. And all the FOMC member speech this week. So sideways range after breakout, same to same like last time happening. That will be zigzag or just sideways. We will decide after weekly and monthly closing on Friday. And for clarity, these monthly closing price, super important support level, and H4 chart 2343 static support level and this trend line. More time price stay below this level technically varies and everyone will expect retest of low of the range. More time it stay above this level, hope of bullish trend.